Hello everyone, welcome to back another environmental science lectures. So today we are going to learn about the water cycle, one of the most important natural processes on Earth. So the water cycle also called the hydrological cycle, is a continuous movement of the water on above and below the Earth's surface. It ensures that water is constantly recycled and available for all living organisms. The water cycle has several main processes: evaporation, water from oceans, rivers, and lakes and other sources turns into the water vapors due to the sun heat. क्योंकि जो एवेपोरेशन होती है ना वो जब उसके ऊपर हीट पड़ती है ना तो वो बुखारात की शक्ल में ऊपर की तरफ मूव करना स्टार्ट कर देती है. ट्रांसपायरेशन प्लांट्स रिलीज वाटर वेपर इनटू द एयर थ्रू their leaves. This process also adds moisture to the atmosphere. So the condensation, the water vapor rises into the atmosphere, cools down, and forms clouds. This is how clouds are created. What is the precipitation? When clouds become heavy, water falls back to the earth into the form of rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Runoff and collection. The water that falls return to the runout and uh, sorry rivers, lakes, and oceans. Some of it's also into the ground, forming groundwater, which can be used by the plants and humans. The water cycle is very important for the life. इट प्रोवाइड्स फ्रेश वाटर फॉर ह्यूमन. मतलब कि जो वाटर साइकिल रिपीट होता है ना उसका मैं बता रहा हूँ कि ये ह्यूमन के लिए फ्रेश वाटर नीड होती है. एनिमल्स एंड प्लांट्स हैव हेल्पिंग इन ग्रोइंग क्रॉप्स, मेंटेन रिवर एंड lake levels, and even regulates earth temperature. Human activities like deforestation, pollution, and climate change can disrupt the water cycle. For example, cutting down the forests reduces transpiration and pollution can contaminate rivers and lakes. In conclusion, the water cycle is continuous processes that moves water around the earth. It connects oceans, rivers, lakes, the atmosphere, and living organisms. Protecting water resources and preventing pollution is essential to maintain the cycle and support life on earth. So, इसका मतलब क्या होता है कि जो हमारे अर्थ के ऊपर वाटर है ना इसका साइकिल रिपीट होता रहता है. ठीक है, मतलब जैसे कि हम कहें कि समुंदर, ठीक है, वहाँ से पानी निकलता है रिवर्स की शक्ल में ताकि वो हमारे प्लांट्स को, हमारी फील्ड्स को, हमारी क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करवा सके. तो मतलब कि ये साइकिल है और दोबारा समुंदर में गिर जाता है. ठीक है.